Welcome back, guys. We were in finding the remainder of a polynomial in order to divide by x minus a, which is the binomial form of x minus a. And we said that the remainder of any polynomial is p of a. And here we will do some more examples about the remainder theorem. In here we have an example p of x, 2x squared plus bx plus 4. And in order to divide this by x minus 1, the remainder is 11. Find b. In here, the question is a little bit different. It says that the remainder is 11 when you divide the polynomial by x minus 1. But in here, the coefficient of x, which is b, is unknown. So you must find the value of b. As we said before, remainder was p of a. If you remember in previous video we studied. So in here p of a, in here a is 1, p of a or p of 1 is equal to, the remainder is 11. Let me add it. The remainder is 11. It is given in the question. So p of 1 is 2 times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus 4, and this is equal to 11. The remainder is 11. From here you can see 2 times 1 squared is 2, b times 1 is what? b, plus 4 is equal to 11. From here 2 plus 4 is 6. When you bring 6 to the other side, it will be minus 6. 11 minus 6 is what? b is equal to 11 minus 6. You can see that b is equal to 5. So whenever b is 5 in here, the remainder will be 11, and when it is divided by x minus 1. As the next example, we have a question, but a little bit difficult. We have p of x in here, 3x squared cubed minus mx squared plus nx plus 4, and when it is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 6. When it is divided by x minus 1, remainder is 6. When you divide p of x by x minus 2, the remainder is 8. So find m and n. So in here, as we said before, when you divide this one by x minus 1, the remainder will be p of a. P of a is 1. P of 1 here is 6. Let me call this as the first equation, and p of 2, which is the remainder, is equal to 8. Let me call this one as second equation. So p of 1, just in here place instead of x1, p of 1 is going to be 3, 1 to the power of 3 minus m times 1 squared plus n times 1 plus 4, and this is equal to 6. By this way, p of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 cubed minus m times 2 squared plus n times 2 plus 4, and this is equal to 8. Okay, from the first equation, what do we have in here? You can see that we have 3 times 1 squared is 3. Let me call this as the first equation, minus m plus 4, and this is equal to 6. As a result, we will have minus m plus n. 3, 4 is 7, 6 minus 7 is minus 1. This is the first. And the second one will be 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Minus 4m plus 2n plus 4 equals 8. And from here we will have minus 4m plus 2n, and here 24 plus 4 is 28. When you bring the other side, it will be minus 20. Minus 20. If you divide both sides by 2, you would have this equation minus 2m plus n is equal to minus 10 when you divide by 2. So from here we have two equations by adding first and second equations by substitution method or any other method when you use in here. First was minus m plus n is equal to minus 1, and the other was minus 2m plus n is minus 10. So let's subtract. It will be plus, it will be minus, and it will be plus. These are cancelled out. Plus 2m minus m is m, and this is equal to plus 10 minus 1 is 9. So it means that the value of m must be 9. To find the value of n, place the value of m in any equation you want, here or here or in the equations that you have. So let's use this equation, the first equation, minus m plus n, this is equal to minus 1, minus m is what? 9, plus n, this is equal to minus 1, and from here we will have n, this will be plus 9 minus 1 plus 9 is plus 8. So from this question we had m as 9 and n as 8. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you understand something about the synthetic division and remainder theorem. To follow my videos, please subscribe the channel and click on 10 math grades, 10 subjects, and click on math, and you can follow the videos which I have here. See you in the next video. Thank you.